So now we are going to discuss the second article of today's editorial session, that is Woman Interrupted. Okay, so we'll go on to this article very quick. Okay, so what is Woman Uninterrupted? The title of the article is Woman Uninterrupted. So we'll go into it and discuss what is there, and also I'm going to briefly analyze you whatever information is given in the article. I'm not going to miss you one point even. Each and every point I'll briefly analyze you. Okay, so we'll move on. Women uninterrupted. Access to contraception and abortion services must be continuous. Access to contraception and abortion service must be continuous. So this abortion, what is meant by abortion? So I think many of you know what is the meaning of contraception, right? You get in your 10th class itself in your biology. So what an abortion also you get, what is meant by abortion? Killing a baby, killing the fetus before it comes out of the womb. Okay. Among the more serious ramification on the pandemic, what is meant by ramifications? Consequence, result, aftermath. For example, have you considered all the ramifications of changing careers at this stage of your life? Okay, like consequence of like what you say, consequence of something, result of something, aftermath. Okay, ramifications of the pandemic has been rather extensive, even if unintended disruption of healthcare services. Normal life has been crippled by the restrictions flowing from control measures, and access to medical services has become infinitely tougher for a vast majority. What is meant by crippled? Cripple is nothing but disabled, lame, unable to walk properly. For example, economic sanctions have crippled the country's economy. Okay. Crippled by the restrictions flowing from control measures, and access to medical services has become infinitely tougher for a vast majority. Okay, the scale of the impact on women's lives is only being recognized as global reports of inability to access contraceptives and abortion services during the long lockdown, one of dire consequences, including unwanted pregnancies, increasing domestic violence, and maternal mortality. Okay, a recent estimate by Marie Stopes International (MSI) said about 2 million women missed out on services between January and June. 1.3 million were in India alone. Okay. According to WHO, a recent survey of responses from 103 countries found that 67% reported disruption in family planning and contraception services. So what is my contraception is like, again it is repeating, so I am explaining you what is my contraception. So it is nothing but to avoid fertilization in women. Okay, in one word you can say avoiding of fertilization in women. The devices which are used to avoid fertilization in women is known as contraceptive. Okay, this process is known as contraception. Okay, and UNFPA projections indicate that 47 million women in 114 low and middle income countries would be unable to use modern contraceptives if the average lockdown. So more than 47 million women in 114 low and middle class. They're going to use modern contraceptive methods if the lockdown continues for 6 months with major disruptions to services. Disruption is nothing but disturbance or problem which interrupt an event. For example, the accident brought widespread disruption on the roads, and an additional 7 million unintended pregnancies are expected to occur. At the heart of this issue is the bulk of healthcare services shifting to cater to COVID 19 related emergencies and lockdown disruptions. India listed abortions as essential services under the lockdown. But the disruption of transport services hampered access to centers of care, and lack of awareness about these services being available during this period was a factor. It is pertinent to ask if services to facilitate abortion and contraception were indeed available in the cities and rural areas during the period, despite being listed as emergency and thus allowed to remain open even during intense lockdowns. What is maybe pertinent? Pertinent is nothing but relevant, to the point, appropriate. For example, chapter 1 is pertinent to the post-war period. Almost 30% of the respondents seeking an abortion said that the clinic in the area was closed. According to the MSI report, we discussed it in the above. Further, a study in 6 states by the Foundation for Reproductive Healthcare Services India showed a severe shortage of medical abortion drugs and pharmacies for a country setting out to bolster its contraception and abortion services. Outrage this pandemic and its lockdowns have dealt a blow. Bolster is nothing but support, strength, reinforce, pillow, cushion, something which gives you strength, support. They need to do something to bolster their image. And the need for contraceptive devices, contraceptive services remains high in India, with over 1 in 3 women, 35%, reporting a need for contraceptive device as per the MSI study. Providing uninterrupted abortion and contraceptive counseling devices and care services are essential to safeguard the reproductive rights of women and protect them from abuse. These services must continue through measures such as telemedicine, incentives to local clinics to open the doors, resolving drug supply chain disruptions, besides improving access to healthcare for countries that do not prioritize women's healthcare needs will bear the heaviest of burdens not so long after. Okay, so our second article is also completed. Okay, so I hope every one of you understood what is the brief analysis of this article, and I thank every one of you for watching this video. I thank everyone very much. Thank you very much.